You can use the Coravin system with bottles closed with screw caps using the Coravin Screw Cap. First, remove and discard the existing screw cap. Do not pour wine from the open bottle. Immediately replace with the Coravin Screw Cap. Press the trigger quickly to clear the Coravin wine preservation system of any air or wine residue. Align the smart clamps over the neck of the bottle and push down firmly in one fluid motion with one hand holding the bottle and the other on the handle. Tilt the bottle so that the spout is lower than the base and wine is fully in contact with the screw cap. When you are done, pull the system straight up and off the bottle in one fluid motion. Leave the Coravin screw cap on the bottle to protect your wine from oxidation for up to 3 months. Store in a cool, dark place. To pour the last glass, unscrew the Coravin screw cap. Immediately rinse your Coravin screw cap with warm water and pat dry with a clean cloth before storing. Your Coravin screw cap can be used for up to 50 insertions before being replaced. Coravin, savor the glass, preserve the bottle.